ki khubor ki babnya ka jingeki bat ki Jingpakhang ki tourist taxi pedeng ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam kala nangjur mentagasngi ka bala Pynsakma ya ki Nongleit Nongwan Jorabat hadien baki nongnya kali ke Assam kila khangi kali na Meghalaya bandrung sha Assam Hendrai ke kenhun jong ki nongnya tourist taxi kila wengpat ya ke jingeki ba klembo por mentagasngi tungin khmi ya ke ni ke khubor
Kajingeki kinongnya tourist taxi happening ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam kala nangjur mentakasngi ke bala Pynsakma ki Nongleit Nongwan Jorabat hadien baki nongnya kali ke Assam kila khang ki kali Meghalaya bandrung sha Assam kani ke Jingpakhang kala khata ekalet kawan chakakat lingsun Guwahati ki station rail bat shaki hospital kinongnya kali na Assam kilo ong ba kajingeki jongki kalong persha ya kajingkhang jongki nongnya kali na Meghalaya banlet shaki jaka jongokai ki badon ha Meghalaya Kilasma ban peteng ya kani hadu bandala ban penbet ya kijing ya kaja but ka all KHASI Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association.
One thing we want to make it clear to Meghalaya government, we have not started this agitation. Rather, we were provoked by only one association. I'm not blaming all the transporters of Meghalaya. All taxi association, they are with us. All transport association of Meghalaya are with us. Only one association.
Even in hotel association also with us.
All KHASI Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, they are the main culprit. They raised this issue they threatened us in 3rd of September that we won't allow any vehicle from Assam, not to mention Assam, but outside Meghalaya. Any vehicle outside Meghalaya will not be permitted to visit the tourist spot. That started the main problem. Now you have to convince them and ask them to withdraw.
Ki he officer ki Banari Bhoi district lalit marmar shakatiga jaka but uba Andrew Merthong ubade magister ula pentikna ba baro artli ki sarkar jilla kenyetrelang ban penbet ya kanika mat but ula kenturu ya ki nongnya ban omkhang ya ki surok.
To give the government 2 days time, the government, as I've told you before, has already assured that within a matter of 2 days, the government at the highest level will be addressing this matter with the government of Assam. So both the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam will be addressing this issue and will be coming up with a permanent solution so that this matter does not come up again in the future.
Hakui patkalyang ka AKMTTA kala penchai bagajingaki jongki kalong persha ya ka sarkar Meghalaya but ya ka jilla Assam ne ya ki nong shong jongka kat ba ki dang dawai ka tourist taxi policy ka reciprocal agreement Kajing pendunai ka khajana ka taxi app bat kajing mentoy ka bakerpang na kabenta ki nongnya kali KHASI bat garo. Hadien jong kajing alang bat ka deputy commissioner jong ka East KHASI Hills bat ki nong Penyai district ka AKMTTA ka lapin banaban wengno ya kajing ki baklembu por jong ka.
Te hakajingwan meeting menta kasini ru ngilapun sngo ya kati demand sungi baper ngilapun sngo bat nakalian jo administration ru kila ai kata ka assurance ba kinyarap hi ngi kindon kat hi bangi te sakawai ru ba kilaong ba kin call off shai kanika indefinite strike jungi
Hakaju ko por ka RBYF bat ka FKJGP ribhoi kila kintu ya ka sarkar ka jilla Assam bat Meghalaya bada ki sunjuk jongki nongnya tourist taxi ban penbet mardor ki kila pensngo ba ki nongpang ki khna school bat ki Nongleit Nongwan ki bran kamlet manla kasngi ki dei ki basyak ta bha
Ni kerpat ya ka sarkar ba kansim khia halor kene. Kajing yaki khanang ba kanumdan kana na kajing songsi. Bat ya ka association yang ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam ro. Bakin de ban penbet madar ya kane ka. Jing yaki ka jongki
kajinge khamtam ngi mangi kubasa ane border. Ngi haban ngi mesim ngi haban rumun mi seki saguhati malakas ngi. Te api jungi ngi kerpat jur ya pi ka government berkumjur ka association ba penbet madar ya kane. Khanang bensuk Nongleit Nongwan jong kane kadong kan haju kumjuru ya ka jala Meghalaya jungi borakawai
kani Jingpakhang kalawan ra jing shibo ni ki Nongleit Nongwan ki badang ap khmi lenti ya baro artli jilla banwan ra ya ka jingatan telai happening jongki Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya
Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee